Chloe is now using her right hand. Okay, go na. Go. Pakita mong may lakas din yung right mo. Wow, good job. Okay, next one. Use your right hand. Yes, very good. Sige po. Try mong wag na magpa-help sa left, okay? Okay? Try it, try it. Oh, sige, sige lang. Hawak ko yung cardboard. Cardboard. Okay, sige. Go na. Sige na, nakatatlo ka na nga eh. Wait lang. Go. Okay, try it again. Try again. Try again. Good job! Sige. Dati, oh, we're very good. May pahag pa ang baby. Dati, hindi niya po yung nagagamit right hand niya. Sabi niya rin kanina, hindi daw marunong yung right niya. Sabi ko, itry lang. Tapos, ayan po, oh, nagagamit niya na yung right hand niya. Okay, good job. Next. Wow, naka-5 ka na agad. Ang galing naman ng baby. Oh, sige na, keep going. Oh, press yung ipit. Oh, yes, good job. Next. Wow, may hug ulit ako. Very good yan. Okay, go, Chloe. Inaayos niya po katulong yung left hand para maipwesto yung ipit. Wow! Good job. I'm so proud of you, Chloe. Oy, may hug ulit ako. Thank you, Chloe.